So she leaves. And then her mom passes about a week after that. And she makes the decision that, no, I'm not going back for the funeral. I made the choice that I was either going for this or for this. Mm-hmm. And I went to be able to go while she was alive in case she was awake and aware enough that she might choose to say something to me. And she wanted to hear these things from her mom that were on this list. Like, I'm sorry. You didn't deserve to be treated this way. This was my behavior. Like, she wanted to hear a lot of things. And her mom said nothing, none of these things to her when she made the visit. So she went back home to her own country and back to her family. And when her husband asked her if she got what she needed, she said no. So her mom validates for her that she went back and that her husband asked the question because they knew what she was doing and why she was doing it and what they were both hoping for. And that she got the no answer, that right to the moment of death, her mom was not going to have her, what do you call that, come to Jesus moment?
Yeah, I will argue that by another definition, she got what she needed. And I'm not saying this is what I wish for Lan. I want to be clear about that. Mm-hmm. I will say that if what she hoped for was the opportunity to present her mom with this opportunity to apologize if she so felt it, the absence of the apology, the absence of the regret from the human mom did actually verify in that moment that Lan made the best decisions throughout her life to go no contact. It's just an affirmation that she made a great choice. Now, it's not what she needed in order to do the healing, but it certainly is a different kind of affirmation that she made the right choice.
You could be listening right now. Coffee with the Sarlos airs early for our patrons on patreon.com/the Sarlos.